Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will look into the updates of Odoo 18 and we're going to discuss about copying message link in Chatter. So we can just dive into the sales module and I'm going to create a new quotation over here. So you can just basically click on new button in order to create a new quotation where you can just fill out the details of the customer. My customer is Anita Oliver. And you can also just fill out the other details such as the product in the order lines. I'm going to choose a product as black embroidered shirt. And you can also choose a variant. I'm going to choose the size as small and everything is set. And here you can see Michelle Admin is just creating a record. And we can just save this. And I want to show you that I can just copy the message link. So here you can see that as we just save this quotation, Michelle Admin has created a sale order, right? So we can just copy the message link. And if we want to just loop this into any other users, we can share it. So I'm gonna just loop this for Mark Demo. And let me choose Mark Demo. And here we can just paste the message link and we can just provide the text to reveal the sale order. Please review the sale order, and you can just loop this by clicking on the loop button. So here you can see the Michelle has just sent a message, or we can also share this Chatter message link in any other platforms by copying this. It can be through a mail, it can be through a chat and all. So if Mark Demo wishes to view this, he can just click on this link and he can review that. Okay, so as Mark Demo is clicking that, you can see currently demo has logged in. You can see that, and the demo will be able to proceed with the further process. So as we click on the link, we know that we have just logged it for demo. So the demo can just further proceed with this steps of confirmation of the quotation and all. So here you can see he's just going to confirm, and once everything is set, he can just reboot to the Michelle Admin. So it's very easy to copy the message link in a chatter, and that's it. And thank you for watching the video.